With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
A bullet of mass 20 gram traveling horizontally with a velocity of 500 meter per second passes through a wooden block of mass 10 kg initially at rest on a level surface. The bullet emerges with a velocity of 100 meter per second. Block slide 20 cm on the surface before coming to rest. Find the friction coefficient between the block and the surface. So if you see, this is the initial situation before the strike, and after striking the block started moving with velocity v2 and bullet have a velocity v1 that is given in the question. If you see, is 100 meter per second, and the mass of the bullet is 20 gram, right? So I will write m1, that is mass of the bullet is 20 gram. So I will divide the 20 by 1000. So 20 by 1000 is 0.02 kg, and the mass of the block is 10 kg. Now there is no external impulsive force in the horizontal direction during the collision, so we can apply the momentum conservation. So I will write initial momentum is equals to final momentum. So just put the value now. So you will get m1. Yeah, so v is equals to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. Now you can just put the values. So what we want is this v2, right? So we will write m2 v2 is equals to m1 v minus m1 v1. So we'll take m1 common, so we'll get v minus v1. So v in the question is given 500 and v1 is 100, right? Initial velocity of the bullet was 500, final velocity was 100, and mass is 0.02. So just put them minus 100, right? So it will be 400, right? So yeah, so mass of the block is 10 kg if you see, and v2 is to be calculated. So 0.02 is equals to, right, and this will get cancelled out, and you will get v2 is equals to 2 by 100 into 40. This 0 will get cancelled out, and you will get meter per second. So the velocity of block will be 0.8 meter per second, right? Now it is given in the question, it travels 20 centimeter before the stop. If you see here, it is given that it travels 20 centimeter, right? So 20 centimeter, that is 20 by 100, that is 0.2 meter, right? Okay, so after traveling 0.2 meter, it stops and its velocity becomes 0. So here it is having a velocity of 0.8 meter per second and the mass is 10 kg, and after traveling 0.2 meter, its velocity becomes 0, right? So there is relative motion, so maximum friction force will act, that is mu into n, and n you can see is 100 Newton. So I will write here this. So let's apply the work energy theorem. So I will write work done by friction is equal to change in kinetic energy, and final kinetic energy is 0, and initial you can see 10 into 0.8 whole square. So the friction force work done I will write into x, right, where displacement is given as 0.2. So I will put the value of 0.2 here is equals to negative 5.8 whole square. So this negative sign will get cancelled out, and this and this 10 will also get cancelled out, and you will write 10 mu is equals to 5 into 8 by 10 and 8 by 10, right? So you will get mu is equals to, yeah, you can see this will get cancelled out by 2 and this will get cancelled out by 4. So you will get by this. So yeah, so if you will solve this, so 2 is also here, so I will take this 2. So if you will solve this, so you'll get 6 as the mu. So this will be the friction coefficient between the block and the ground. So the friction coefficient here is 0.16, and this is our answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.